So you're hearing the stock market crash is upon us. Well, to start this video, I'll come out and say something a little controversial. No one knows when a crash will happen. But in the event the stock market crashes, in this video we will go over 5 things you should do to prepare yourself and put yourself in the best position to profit from one. It's your favorite investor, and this is the channel to help keep you invested and build your wealth. So let's start with why I'm bringing this up in the first place. It's no secret that right now in 2023, the stock market has been going crazy, up almost 18% on the year, just incredible growth. However, we can say that the average annual return should be 7 to 10%. So this extreme overperformance, I guess we can call it, is probably due for a pullback. All of the financial YouTubers on here seem to think so. But no one knows if or when this will happen or even how severe it will be. But when things start to move down, there are some things you should be doing now to get yourself ready for a move to the downside. One of the most important things you can do in general is having a sound financial mind when operating in the financial markets. Prepare yourself mentally for a potential crash. Talk yourself through what that may feel like and understand that over the course of the S&P 500, the markets have crashed and recovered consistently. Understanding that concept will keep you from making any crazy sells on good companies that are falling victim to a wider spread market sell-off. An example here is Apple in October 2022, trading at a share price of $125. Right now, August 10th, 2023, Apple is trading at $178. How would you have felt to have sold your shares for the low? Next thing on the list is something you can do right now, and that's to have some extra funds set aside ready to invest in the event of a crash. This could be extra money outside of the investing budget that's dedicated to buy stocks on a discount. I love having this side cash to invest. Although it takes some extra discipline to plan this into the budget, the rewards are outsized gains buying stocks literally at the bargain bin on huge discounts at price points that I wanted. My biggest pickups this year were Amazon under $100. Any extra income I had was used here, and so far I've gotten an incredible return. Which leads me to my next point. Have a plan for what you want to invest in. If you don't know what you want to buy in the event of a crash, then this side money will never get used. The reason being because when markets finally crash, you won't have enough conviction to actually pull the trigger. You'll be doubting yourself on whether this is the time to buy. You've got to sit down and look at the possible price entries for when you purchase. If you don't have a plan to buy, then you probably won't. Gains are made at the time of purchase. Another thing you should probably do is turn off the news. The stock channels and financial YouTubers will continue sharing information about how company XYZ are doing so terrible and they face this headwind and that headwind and all these different things. But the news a lot of the time stays negative until well after share prices have already began to rise. So what I'm saying is, if you have a plan to buy at a certain price, but the news is saying, no, don't buy yet, it's not the time yet, the news won't help you make that decision until the stock market already rebounded 30%. I mean, not literally, but you get the idea. Do your research and create your plan. Last, but of course not least, enjoy your dividends. In market crashes, most companies continue to pay dividends. In fact, some companies have even raised dividends. So just stay invested, keep on cashing in the dividend. Unless, you're investing in some kind of dividend trap, then, at that point, you might as well go ahead and start putting in the application for the Wendy's. Anyways, if you made it this far in the video, I hope you got some value from it. And be sure to check out the bestdividendcalculator.com to start putting together your plan to build wealth. Link down in the description. As always, thank you for watching, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial content. It's your favorite investor, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.